If only life was as easy to master as standing up on a surfboard. Now that we have been away from home for 21 weeks, what have we learned? From the planning, our big year, to the adventures along the way, it has been quite a ride. Welcome to our adventure if you have not watched one of our travel videos before. We are a Canadian family of 4 exploring the world for a year with a plan to visit 4 continents, 18 countries, and 32 cities. Follow along for weekly videos posted every Sunday. And don't forget to hit subscribe on my channel devoted to creative wandering. In addition to videos about travel and creative projects, see my video about how you can help me design an epic creative retreat. I would love to hear from you in the comment section below this video. You could also shoot me an email or connect on any of my social channels. Our trip almost didn't get underway. In my proof of concept budget, I made a major mistake in my calculations. In my budget, I had all along thought of the rental income that we were going to get from the house as offsetting the mortgage. In my mind, those two things were linked. Unfortunately, what I discovered in the budget is I had included the income, the rental income, and not the mortgage payment. So in effect, I was only accounting for the rent we were going to be paying in various cities and countries along the way, and not our first commitment, which is to our mortgage here back home. So that was a significant error, but it did explain why the numbers looked too good to be true. We never miss an opportunity to get out on the water, even on a reservoir in the desert of Arizona.
Okay. Holy.
Arizona water.
Why did we go off the front? Nope. This was a mistake.
Oh my God. After 5 weeks, we heard the last sounds of Canada as we finally headed out for our first stop in Europe. Not long after arriving in Barcelona, it was time for La Merce. It's music, it's all kinds of entertainment, it's outdoor concerts, it's fireworks, it's parades, human pyramids, a fire run, all for free. We elected to stay close to home because there was just so much going on in the Barceloneta and the Port Vale area. In fact, we had a sound stage or concert stage just down the street. Starting in week 8, Catalonia tried to go to the polls, which was the start of the constitutional crisis in Spain. We never thought we would witness the making of history, certainly not here in Catalonia or elsewhere. And yet we were here on October 1st when in the city of Barcelona we saw many people take to the polls. I haven't been involved in a political demonstration like this back in Canada ever, so it was really interesting to watch. It was very colorful and very passionate. which is something that I've come to expect from Barcelona and Spain in my time here. By week 15, we were chasing the heat of summer down to Bangkok. And boy, did we find it. Then it was time to get out on the water, one of the best ways to get the lay of the land. Bangkok is in the Chao Phraya River Delta in Thailand's Central Plains. The course of the river as it flows through Bangkok has been modified by the construction of several shortcut canals. Sadly, our time in Siem Reap came to a close and our experience in Cambodia has left us changed forever. The temples of the Angkor Archaeological Park bear witness to the life of the Khmer people. All the glory, the love, the fighting, and the heartbreak, which has played out over thousands of years. Welcome to our travel adventure of Angkor, the seat of power for the ancient Khmer people. We are 18 weeks away from home now and settled into Siem Reap for a 21-day immersion into the past, present, and future of the capital megacity, which flourished from the 9th to the 15th century. Then we finished up the year in Bali. A key part of enjoying this part of the world in the rainy season is to get outside when the sun shines. And what a better way to enjoy the sun than learning to surf. Thanks for watching and Happy New Year from Bali. For more information about our trip and creative inspiration in general, head over to dailycreatives.com. You can find links to my favorite 3 things: books, videos, and courses. I update the blog 2 times per week with my thoughts on all things creative. See you over there.